All right, today we wanted to go over how to install the Service First Dream Light on top of your sectional or solid flagpole. First thing you're going to want to do is remove your finial and light from the top of the flagpole. The next thing you're going to want to do is ensure that your truck that's attached to the top of your flagpole is nice and secure by just ensuring that the screw is nice and tight. Next, find the hardware package in your Service First kit and go ahead and pull out the long screw and go ahead and affix a washer followed by a nut, followed by another nut, and then another washer. Okay, next what you want to do is go ahead and install the screw on the top of the flagpole and then hand tighten to make sure the screw is nice and tight. Next, you want to go ahead and remove the star from your Dreamlight package and put it aside. And then you can go ahead and grab the distributor with all the LED lights attached to it and carefully put it over the top of the flagpole so it rests on top just like that. Then you can go ahead and finish putting the rest of your hardware. Okay, once you put the distributor on top, you go ahead and put another nut on, followed by a washer. Now you can go ahead and put the star on top. And I'll adjust this washer up and nut up just a little bit to keep the star from hitting the distributor. Now there's plenty of space there. Now I can use my remaining washer and nut for the top, and I can cinch it down just like so. Now I can go ahead and connect my star to my distributor here. And at this point, it's optimal to go ahead and check all of your connections to make sure they're tight. Once you've determined that all your connections are tight, you can find in your bag of zip ties an extra long zip tie. And you can use that zip tie to attach the receiver to the top of the flagpole. And what that'll allow, as the wind blows, it'll keep your receiver nice and tight to the flagpole and keep it from being damaged. Now at this point, your flagpole is ready to be raised. And since this is a sectional or a solid flagpole, what you're gonna wanna do is undo all of the Velcro for the LEDs so that they can fall freely, as well as the extension cord. Get a couple friends to help you raise your flagpole and put it into place. And at that point, you're ready to stake down your LEDs to the circumference that you want. And the only thing left is to plug it in and enjoy your dream lights.